Improvement in 50-meter freestyle swimming speed following 6 weeks of philometric training in 12 to 13 years old. This study investigates how 6-week philometric program affects 50-meter freestyle in young male swimmers. It addresses a real gap at Arwana Swimming Club where current training wasn't improving speed. So this is our introduction. Swimming builds physical plus psychological health for all ages. Elite performance needs a muscular strength, power, and endurance. Philometric is equal to rapid force via stretch to shortening cycle. The research gap limited data on 12 to 13 years old freestyle swimmers. The problem is Arwana Swimming Club athletes not improving with current methods. So, the plyometric training is already used for jumps and sprints, but we don't have much data for early teen swimmers. The club in Bangkalan is Java needed a new approach because their swimmers plateaued. So let's move on to the study aim and objectives. It aims to test the impact of 6-week philometric program on 50-meter freestyle time ages 12 to 13 years old. The objective is 1. Check if 6 weeks significantly improves 50-meter time. Provide evidence for youth-specific swim training. So, we're not just asking does it work. We want data coaches can use to design age-appropriate programs for swimming in the critical development window. So let's move on to materials and methods. The testing protocol, design, pre-experimental, one group pre-test or post-test. Test, 50 meters freestyle time, pre and post 6-week program. Stats, descriptive stats, Shapiro week normality paired t-test, p greater than 0.05. The software will be SPSS V25. The ethics STKIP PGRI Bangkalan number 016 C8 61 2024. In this regard, no control group in a limitation, but paired t-test lets each swimmer serve as their own control. Ethics approval was secured before any training started. So as you can see here, this will be the training complex. So the schedule will be 3 times or 3x week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday to for 6 weeks. This is progressive overload in action. Jump height increases every 2 weeks while volume stays manageable. The 3 days per week allows recovery, which is the key for this age group. As you can see here, this will be the training complex. So the schedule will be 3 times or 3x week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday to for 6 weeks. This is progressive overload in action. Jump height increases every 2 weeks while volume stays manageable. The 3 days per week allows recovery, which is the key for this age group. Next will be the result. The mean time pre-test 50.15 seconds to post-test 49.26 seconds. The improvement 0.895 seconds faster on average. The normality, data normality distributed Shapiro week sig less than 0.05. The significance paired t-test sig is equal to 0.00, p greater than 0.05. The individual, all 20 swimmers improve 0.09 seconds to 3.16 seconds. The 0.89 seconds drop is huge in a 50-meter race. More importantly, the result is statistically significant and every single athlete got faster. This is not or isn't just a chance. So let's move on to the discussion. The 6 weeks philometric significantly boosted 50-meter freestyle speed. Why? Stretch to shortening cycle to more explosive leg power for starts or turn. Matches prior work. Sony and Vendawala 2022 was similar gains in young beginners. Physiology, neural adaptations, quadriceps, thickness, leg muscles, and volume. The practical or the practice is 3 times per week is feasible for youth programs. So, what's this? We think that the gain come from better power of the wall and dive. Philometric trains the exact fast twitch contraction swimmers need. The age 12 to 13 years old window is prime for neural adaptation too. So let's move on to the conclusion and recommendation. 6-week philometric training significantly improves 50-meter freestyle speed in 12 to 13 years old. Successfully implemented, safe, and effective. But the recommendation is, number 1, integrate philometric into regular youth swim training. Number 2, develop programs for all strokes plus female swimmers. Number 3, coaches should individualize for age or sex. So, the next steps are testing it with girls and other strokes. For now, coaches can use this exact 6-week block in dryland portion of training. So, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.